That's so weird. That's too weird.
I know he jerks it with his fucking left hand.
God,
Like
you
this.
can't trust the guy who jerks with his
What's the
left
matter with that?
I mean,
Wait,
it's your dominant hand.
Wait, you jack off with your left hand?
Yeah, I'm left-handed, motherfucker.
Were you about to call him the N-word, David? It's okay. You guys, you're black.
I'm left-handed, nigga.
Hey,
Alright,
Bo. Did you see how hesitant David was right there? He's about to call you the N-word, and then he just stopped for a second.
I mean, one of his parents is white. That mean one of his parents is white.
Yeah.
That definitely is white.
He's like, hold on. Are you
Hey,
black?
he's like,
black.
hey, he said, I'm left-handed, man. You know.
That's too funny.
Fucking David, you're black, bro. You're allowed to say it. It's all right. Yeah, my
If only we could be you for a day.
Yeah, I'm left-handed, motherfucker.
Weird. He said, "Yeah, man, yeah."
He said something. He said something real awkward.
Your show, your show,
No, I'm
show's
black,
white
but I won't say that
oriented.
word.
He's like, yeah, you know what I mean, my Aaron.
My comedian.
You know what I mean? My nugget.
Neighbor.
You know what I mean, my nigger?
That was you, David. You can't make fun of yourself. We're making fun of you right now.
I'll make fun of myself, dog.
It sounded exactly the same when you made fun of yourself. It sounded exactly. I thought they looped it back.
He's like, I'm left-handed, Moses. what the fuck?
You took off my left hand. What's wrong with that, man?
You're like, what the hell? You're like Moses. What the fuck?
George is laughing his ass off.
Fucking George about to have a fucking heart attack, bro.
I'm coming to you, Wheezy.
Oh my god.
God damn, you got that belly laugh going.
Hey, you guys ever hear that story about when George Snow-Shalati made Brandon go to his car?
Oh yeah.
Hey, you hear that? You hear that story when one black man was afraid to call another black man the N-word?
That's funny, man. That's
I didn't know if it was acceptable.
What are you talking about? He's a comedian, bro. What the fuck you talking about?
check off my left hand,
My Nigel?
He got real nervous. He got real nervous.
He said,
I don't know him like that, so I can't call
what
him
you
nigga
saying?
yet.
He's like, what you trying to tell me, Nigel?
Niagara.
I can't call him nigga yet.
He's like, what you talking about,
He's
Nolan?
not my boy.
This Nolan right here.
So
Nolan?
Nathan.
Listen here, my Bartholomew.
My Bartholomew. That's funny.
This is getting away from us.
Oh, shit. You fucking, I
That's
forgot
too
what the
funny.
fuck I was gonna ask him now. You fucking retard. God damn, dude, that's the funniest shit ever, dude. I never seen some shit like that.
My Zimbabwean?
He definitely made it seem like one of his parents was white. I promise you. Like,
No, he don't have any white parents. But would you say, David, that maybe one of your parents is whitewash?
You got that good, Herb?
I don't think so.
No.
hey, wait. What about? Is your household? Did you make over $80K a year? Your household.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Yep, that's what.
Matter of fact, you know, me and Dave used to go skating together. David knows how to do kickflips and shit.
You guys, you guys,
I used to skateboard and listen to rock music.
I used to listen to rock music, Nigel.
He even said rock music.
Hey, you know what I mean? I was listening to that Metallica. You feel me? You feel me, bro?
I was skateboarding and listening to rock and roll. Yeah.
listening to
Hey,
Hey, it is what it is, brother.
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 You can't even say brother. What the fuck?
I swear you sound like. Man, you sound like a white guy who hung out with black guys all the time. That's what you sound like. You don't sound like a black.
No, I never hung out with black guys. I only hung out with white.
Oh, I can tell, bro. I can tell. You never had that filter. You never had that filter.